Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a keto friendly dinner. I'm making Philly cheesesteak lettuce wraps. What you need for this recipe is some romaine lettuce, some bell peppers. You can use green, red, whatever you prefer, an onion, any kind of cheese. I got pepper jack just to kind of make it a little bit spicy, and some beef skirt or some thin steak. So what I'm gonna do first is cut my meat into fajita style and chop up my onion and my bell peppers. As you can see, I got my onion cut up here. Now what I'm gonna do is cut my bell pepper and take all the seeds out. Alright, I just want to show you guys the way I cut my meat, fajita style. Kind of long, I didn't dice it. As you can see, my pan is nice and hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add my meat. I did spray this with olive oil. I'm gonna cook this until it's nice and brown. Alright, my meat is pretty much brown. I still have a little bit to go, so what I'm gonna do now is I season my bell pepper and my onions with some sea salt and some black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and throw these in there and let it cook along with the meat until they're nice and soft. Alright, last thing, I'm gonna add my cheese. I'm gonna let this melt until it's nice and bubbly, and then we are done. And it'll be time to serve. Alright, it is now finished. Now it's time to serve. Alright, so we have our romaine lettuce here washed nicely. Now we're gonna add our beef skirt and our onions and bell pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and add some lime. And a little bit of tapatio. And that, you guys, is my Philly cheesesteak lettuce wrap. Thanks for watching and stay tuned, and I will see you on the next video.